Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you 5 settings that can boost your Google Chrome performance on PC. So let's go to the browser first. After go to the browser, just click on three dot icon which is top right corner. Then go to settings. Scroll down and you'll find here settings. Click on settings. Then find privacy and security, this option. Now click on clear browsing data. Choose it might be should be chosen basic, but you have to make it advanced. Click on advanced, then just select all of this except this two box, password and sign in data and auto form data. These two should be unchecked and the rest should be checked. Then just click on clear data. All right, now click on performance tab, this option. Just make sure your memory saver should be turned on. If this turn this off, you have to just turn this on. Go to the next step now. The next step is going here, this reset settings. Click on reset, restore settings to their original default, and now reset settings again, this blue button. Click on this. It will take some time, hold on. After reset, you have to go to the next step. The next step is open a new tab here and write Chrome clone / flags. Now hit enter. Now you have to write here parallel downloading, which should be enabled. Okay, now click on this launch, relaunch. After relaunch, go to the next step. The next step is going again the new tab and right here Chrome clone /net hyphen internals /hash, sorry, DNS. Now hit enter. Then you'll find here this interface. Now select this DNS option, click on this DNS, and you'll find here clear host cache. Then just click on this clear host cache. Just once click, that will be done. After that, go to the next step. The next step is going here again and go to three dot icon which is top right corner, this one. Now go to extensions. Here the extensions, click on manage extensions. Now you'll find here all of your extensions here. By chance you find any extensions that you don't use actually for now, or you cannot recognize that extension, you have to delete that extension. Just click on simply remove and click on remove again and it will be deleted. Okay, so after that you have to go to the next and the last step. The last step is go to, just open a new tab again and click on three dot icon which is top right corner. Scroll down, go to settings. In settings, this here you have to write in the search bar right here hardware. Sorry, spelling mistake. By clicking and writing here hardware acceleration, if you find something named hardware acceleration, you should be disable that. But in my end I don't find like this anything. But in your end, if you find by searching here hardware, if you find something name is hardware acceleration, then you have to just disable that uh, uh, feature. Okay, so after that you have to relaunch your Chrome and go to restart your computer. Check back and you'll change you'll see a great change. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.